how the stock market prices change. Please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next. Stock market is like a giant marketplace, but instead of buying and selling clothes or food, people are buying and selling the pieces of the company. These pieces are called the shares or the stocks. When a company needs money to grow, they can sell small portion of ownership in the company called stocks to the public. If you buy one of the stocks, congratulations, you own a tiny part of the company. Why would someone want to buy stocks? The first reason is to make money. When a company does well, the value of its stocks usually goes up. You can sell your stock at higher price than what you bought it for, and that's how you make a profit. Second thing is for dividends. Some companies share their profit with their stockholders in the form of dividends, when it's like getting paid just for owning their stocks. But remember, the stock market can go up and down, which means there always a bit of risk is involved. That's why the stock market is always a little bit risky, and it is always the volatile. That's why the people call stock market is a volatile. Which are the best brokerage app? Best brokerage app for a beginner is the Grow. For a beginners, it is very easy to use. It comes to the matter of less brokerage app, it is Zerodha. And if you think about the less commission brokerage app, the first is Zerodha, the second is Grow, the third commission app is Angel Investment. Okay, here is a big question: how the stock market prices change. If a lots of people want to buy the stock of a company, its price goes up, and if a lots of people are going to sell the stocks of the company, then the prices of the stocks will go down. If a lots of people are selling, the prices of the companies go down. And why do people buy or sell? It can depend on how well the company is doing, company is making profit or not, how the company is performing, what's happening in the economy. What is stock exchange? Stock exchange is a place where the buying and selling of the stocks happen here. Two of the biggest stock exchanges in the world are the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, Bombay Stock Exchange. In India, the BSE is the best for the stock exchange. That is, the full form of BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. I think this video is helpful for you. So for a better content, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next wonderful videos. Share market is specifically referred to the market where the shares of the companies are bought and sold. Owning the shares of the company is like owning the equity of the company. That's why the owner of the company always the one who own the majority of the shares. Stock market refers to the overall market where the different types of securities are bought and sold, like mutual funds, ETF, trading of stocks. Stock market contains mutual funds, trading of stocks, bonds, and ETF. Mutual funds are invested by multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, and SIP. Equity funds are very riskier but always gives high returns. Debt funds are less riskier but they give less returns. I think this video is helpful for you. So for a better content, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next wonderful videos.